Hello friends, I made a small video to help the teachers to create online quiz so that they can share with the students through Google Classroom or through their email ID. So let's begin to create an online quiz on Google Form. So if you're working on smartphone, then you need to download Google Form app. But if you're working on laptop, you just need to go to Google Apps and click on Google Form. Now I have downloaded Google Form on phone. Now click on Google Form. It is showing 2-3 forms which I have already created. But if you are creating it first time, click on this plus button. It will show you many templates. If you want to select any template means ready-made designs, then you can select any. Otherwise, click on create blank form. Now, it is showing untitled form. First, you need to give a title to your form. I am writing computer quiz. In description, you can write do all questions. And submit within 10 minutes. This description is optional. You want to give, otherwise you can leave it blank. Now, before starting the questions, you need to ask some basic information from the students. So these informations are like name, class, section and roll number, so that you can recognize who has submitted quiz. We are writing these information. First, I will click short answer type question and I will write name, so that students can write their name here, and click on required button. Required button will make the students to fill it compulsorily. Then again click on plus button. Now you need to select drop down box. Drop down means you can give the ready-made choices to the students and students can select from the list. Like you can give class, class and section. Now you will give choices. Give first choice. I have written 10th A. Give second choice. I am writing 10th B. Give third choice. I am writing 10th C. After giving all these choices, you will click required button. It is also compulsory to write class. Then next again select short answer question to write roll number. Now write roll number. This is also compulsory, so click on required button. Now students will write their roll number here. Now you are going to start the questions. So this is online quiz, so I will select multiple choice question for the questions. First question is, I am a computer teacher, so I am writing computer related questions. Name the first humanoid chatbot. Question is completed, so I will give choices. I am writing Alexa. I am writing Sophia. I am writing robot. That's it. Now In the same way, you can keep clicking on this plus button to add more questions. Now you need to do some settings. So click on this setting button and select some options. Click. You need to collect the email address. So click on this button. Limit to one response means student will respond only one time. Allow respondent to edit response. No, they should not allow to change their answer, but allow them to see the summary. Now click on back button. You have done these changes. Now again go to settings button. If you forget something, click on, otherwise click on submit button. Now Google is creating my form, but I need some more changes here. Our form has been created successfully. Now you will see the form. Check the preview. Now see, first it is asking to switch the account. If you want to change your account, you can click here. Otherwise, I have checked all the questions, but I forgot to check the settings. I will click on this pan button to do some modifications, right? So I have to fill correct answers so that students can get the answers immediately. I'll click on change settings. In change settings, I have already selected collect email address, limit one response, add date after submit. No, all these are the general settings. Now click on presentation. So progress bar, of course, students and teachers should check the progress bar. Shuffle questions order. If you want to change second time questions, then questions will be shuffled automatically. Click here. Otherwise, show link to submit another response. No need. Now I will click on next button. This is quiz. So make this a quiz. Click here. Now release grade. When the students will get the answer immediately after each submission. Now respondent can see missed question, correct answer. You have to unselect it because students should not be allowed to correct their answers after submitting. Points value, keep it clicked. Now click on save button. Now I will add the answers. How to add the answers? I'll check the questions here. Some buttons are hidden. Make it zoom and click on this blue button. Answer is written here and points. Click on one point. Choose correct answer. Correct answer is Sophia. Now if you want to add answer feedback, click on answer feedback, otherwise click on done button. Now you have submitted your answers. The benefit of submitting answers means student will get the correct answer and their points immediately as soon as they will submit the quiz. Now you need to send it. I have done all changes. Now click on send button. Here you can type the email address if you want to send through email ID, or you can post the link on Google Classroom. I am showing how to post the link. You can click on this pin button, copy the URL and paste in your Google Classroom. In both the ways you can send the quiz to the students and click on send button. Click on OK. Thank you guys. I hope you have understood how to create online quiz and send it to the students.